Welcome back to Shib Kai. The CEO of Shiba Inu has issued a final warning, as you were forewarned before to Shib News. In this video, we'll discuss the latest warning from the CEO of Shiba Inu, which you were warned about before Shib News. Shibainu, the second largest dog-inspired meme coin in the world by market capitalization and which runs on the Ethereum blockchain as an EC20 token, has been consolidating in the 0.0011 to 0.115 area over the past few days. Shib is still restrained to the upside by its 50-day moving average around 0.115, while the 21, 100 and 200 DMAs all continue to act as a magnet to the price action. Without further ado, let's get started with the video. Although Shib trading volumes have been trending higher recently, some believe they may soon be about to explode higher based on data sourced from CoinGecko. Shib trading volumes across exchanges HD'd an impressive $420 million on Wednesday even before the day ended. This comes after trading volumes nearly reached $600 million on Tuesday, their highest level since mid-March since the start of the year. As always, please remember to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel. Shib is still down about 30% from earlier yearly highs in the 0.0016 area, despite rising with strong price performance. However, Shib broke above the downtrend from this high late last month. If Shib can break free from its cloud of major moving averages, which are still acting as a drag, and get above support-resistance in the mid-0.0011, it could threaten a retest of these earlier yearly highs. The Shiba Inu used in Twitter's logo should give tailwind hope for future Shiba upgrades to the Inu ecosystem. May also give you hope that, in the upcoming weeks, real work will be made on everything related to Shib the metaverse. In a recent post to the Shibu community's Discord channel, which was shared by well-known Shibu supporter Lucy on Twitter on Tuesday, Marcy Jastro, the lead of the Shibu Metaverse development team, stated that despite the Shib's significant decline from earlier annual highs in the 0.0016 area, whales appear to be holding onto their tokens and not giving up, according to on-chain data cited by Whale Stats, which shows the number of transactions being conducted by the top 100 show whales has dropped to almost zero per day since mid-February after previously being in the 100s, indicating that whale sentiment is still strong. Whether Shib can increase its value 10 times from current levels is a difficult task, at least in the short term. A gain of 7 times would cause the market cap of Shiba Inu to soar to approximately $47 billion and push the stock to new all-time highs in the upper 0.0088 region. Gain 10 times over while GS continues to fail to break the crucial resistance level of 0.001152 on the one-day chart. One of the largest Shib whales is buying the dip, according to crypt tracking service Whale Stats. If the U.S. Federal Reserve is set to begin a major rate-cutting cycle later this year to stave off a U.S. bank crisis recession and Chew developers do continue to give Shib new utility via expanding the scope of the Web3 project's ecosystem, then the cryptocurrency could conceivably see 10 times gains in the upcoming years. Just a short while ago, on April 4th, the 254th largest Ethereum whale purchased 229.99 billion Shib worth approximately $2.58 million, according to Whale Stats. The unknown grand owner of the Shiba Inu, also known by the synonym Blue Whale 0073, has continued his purchasing binge over the last 3 days. Yesterday, Blue Whale 0073 acquired 14,878 billion Shib worth approximately $1.65 million in a single transaction. Despite the fact that the whale has purchased a staggering 378.49 million Shiba Inu in the last 72 hours, the buying pressure from the unidentified Shib investor has not been sufficient to push the Shib higher against the market. Even so, trends indicate that Ethereum whales is still bullish about the company's increasing value. In their most recent report from the end of March, Wall Statistics stated that, among e-whales, Shib remains the most popular investment, second only to stable coins. Since the company's founding, the Shib Army requested something from its founder, Shinzo, when Shib 0.01 was launched. This request was then passed on to Shoshire, and both visionaries realized the time would come to offer exponential Shib growth. Many people have not yet seen the true meaning of Sharam until it materializes, but Koyo token has offered a first step and an indication of what to expect. In March alone, Koyo token burned over 6.1 billion SHIB tokens, with a major burn anticipated in the coming days. The founder of Koyo, Kentaro, stated in his Medium that they expect billions of dollars in volume and millions of dollars in rewards, which will in turn cause SHIB burns to be in the millions with continuous burns. Many have questioned how it is even possible to provide context given the current SHIB market cap of 6B480M 338,680 in circulation supply of 589,542,8816M 41573. At the outset, achieving such a massive target would require much more than the efforts of Coyote Trading and Financial Service Platform. Rather, it would require the Rashi to Shoshir vision of Sharam coming to full effect. To achieve a target SHIB of 0.01 would require 99.999% of the total SHIB supply to burn, which means 588 trillion SHIB tokens would need to be burned based on SHIB current price of 0.1956 bill 449 mil 38 346 of SHIB value to burn, leaving a circulating supply of 589 trillion, and at the current market cap of 6B 452 million would result in 0.01. Now let's focus on the optimistic outlook of Koyo token. If the platform were to calculate the standard transaction fees in addition to the borrowing fees on perpetual trading platforms, and work off a monthly trading volume of $1 billion, this could translate into over $20 million in Koyo revenue generated. Given the platform's projected billion-dollar volume, this could lead to a conservative estimate of. We also need to take into account that Sharam will burn 70% of all revenue generated from transaction fees, taking into account the volume entering and leaving the Ku Trading and Financial Services Platform, and taking into account that Canero also confirmed in his Medium that a loyal friend will never conduct in competitive strategies with its trusted alliance, shibainu. Therefore, we hereby declare Koyo will incorporate shibaswap as the exclusive swap for all trading via the Koyo Trading Platform and Financial Services Protocol to ensure we add value and volume onto Sharam, allowing the Shiba ecosystem to be. This implies that any swap on the Koyo platform would have an API to shibaswap, which means that all the advantages of swap flow back to shibaswap, increasing volume and SHIB. Now that Burns and SHIB DoggyDAO Foundation are part of the Koyo Trading Platform, it is anticipated that other Sharian projects that adhere to Shoshir guidelines will be added as well. These projects could potentially receive enormous amounts of capital, VC, funding. These projects will increase volume on the Sharam network and improve the SHIB, with trading volume significantly raising the likelihood of Tier 1 SUX listings. Firepool Koyo tokens. We know of Rashi's vision, and Shoshir speaks of when the vision comes together piece by piece and forming the final jigsaw puzzle. Are we finally seeing the Unet plan coming together to create an artistic masterpiece aligning with the Shiba Inu ecosystem? That's it for today. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up. A developing Koyo army that pledges its loyalty and allegiance to the SHIB army, and a developing platform set to become a key Shibu ecosystem beneficiary. This means potentially becoming one of the biggest contributors to the SHIB army's long-awaited mission to hit SHIB 0.01. Koyo founder Kentaro speaks of no coincidences. To view our most recent content, please like and subscribe to the channel.